In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps like Excel or PowerPoint. If you've been experimenting with Copilot and decided you prefer working without AI suggestions or you're troubleshooting a feature that interacts with it, turning it off is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips so the change sticks and you know what to expect. Start by opening the Microsoft 365 app you want to adjust, such as Excel or PowerPoint. This change is app-specific, so if you want Copilot disabled in both, you'll repeat the process in each one. Once your app is open, look in the upper left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where all the app settings live. From there, select Options. This opens the Options dialog box, which is where Microsoft groups most of the settings that control how the app behaves. Give it a second to load if it takes a moment. In the Options dialog, find and select the Copilot tab. This tab focuses specifically on the Copilot experience, so you won't have to hunt through unrelated settings. If you don't see a Copilot tab, you may be using a version of the app that doesn't include it, or your organization might manage this setting centrally. In that case, check that your app is up to date, or contact your IT admin for guidance. Inside the Copilot tab, look for the checkbox labeled Enable Copilot. Clear that checkbox to turn Copilot off. Unchecking it disables Copilot features like suggestions, prompts, and the Copilot button within the app's interface. Don't worry, this doesn't remove your files or change your documents, it simply disables the AI assistance. Next, click OK to save your changes. This applies your preference to the app's configuration. To make sure the change takes full effect, close the application completely and then restart it. Before you close, save any open work so you don't lose changes. When you reopen the app, Copilot should be disabled. You'll notice the Copilot features are no longer active, and you won't see prompts or AI suggestions. If you ever want to turn Copilot back on, return to the same Copilot tab in Options, check. Enable Copilot, click OK, and then restart the app again. And remember, if you use multiple Microsoft 365 apps, repeat these steps in each one where you want Copilot disabled. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and fully under your control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.